Now this illustration deals with equipment grounding conductor types in accordance with NEC 250.134 item 1. Now the note says at the very top a very important statement. It kind of deals really with 250.134B as in boy, as well as 300.3B as in boy. But the note states the equipment grounding conductor should be routed with the circuit conductors inside the raceway or cable system used for the wiring method. Now, those two sections, 250.134B, works hand in hand with 300.3B. Now, the call out at the very top of the illustration on the wiring method, the cable, it states where metal parts are required to be grounded, they shall be grounded by one of the methods indicated in 250.134 item 1, 250.140, and 250.142. Below that cable, equipment grounding types per 250.118, 250.4, and 250.134.1 can be used. The raceway system below the wiring method, raceway systems such as rigid metal conduit, IMC, or EMT can be used in 250.134 item 1 and 250.134 item 2. But again, we always check the code to make sure there's not another section that would alter to the use of any one of these wiring methods as an equipment grounding means. And that's what I figure 16-121 is illustrating. Equipment grounding conductor types that could be used in accordance with NEC 250.134 item 1, and I say as well as 250.118. And then for color coding or identification of the equipment ground or grounds, don't forget 250.119.